Let's make the Machete Melon Cooler from Kraken Rum. To make this drink, we are going to start by shaking some ingredients. We're going to start with half an ounce of simple syrup. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters, and I do make my own simple syrups. Recipes here on the channel. Link will be down below if you want to give it a go on your own. Note that I do use raw cane sugar instead of white sugar, which is why it turns out a little bit darker. Half an ounce, 15 milliliters. I think I said that. 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. 1 ounce of melon liqueur. I am using Midori. There may be others out there. Feel free to use the one that you so choose. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Now the recipe says 1 ice cube. Shake with 1 ice cube. I don't know why you would shake with 1 ice cube, but we're gonna do what the recipe says. It seems so silly. Now, I'm gonna fill my glass with ice, and I'm gonna strain that 1 ice cube out of there and put this green stuff in the bottom of the glass. Set that aside. Now I'm gonna add 1 ounce of soda water into my glass. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters, which means my layers may not be so clear. Now, 1.5 ounces of the Kraken black spiced rum. And I'm gonna flip it over. I know there's a big side to this because I'm gonna have to slow pour this, and I wanna do it in 1 pour. And I try to watch professional bartenders do things. So what they do is they do something like this. And that's turning out pretty good. As you can see, I could probably get another ounce of club soda in there, or soda water in there, but I think this will be just fine. Straw. Straw. And garnish. The official garnish is a melon ball, a little piece of melon, not balled. If you want to make it official, ball your melon. A dehydrated lime wheel. Maybe I'll stick that right back there. And like I said, the picture shows a little plastic machete. I could not find one, so we've got the plastic sword. I'll stick that right in there. A lot of stuff sticking out of this drink. And there you have it, the Machete Melon Cooler from Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits.